Hi fourth graders, and welcome to day 2 of lesson 20. Today we're going to be doing pages 417 and 418 together, and then on your own you are going to be doing page 420, okay? So we're going to jump on in. We're adding fractions today. So we're going to read our word problem. We're going to go over 2 ways to solve it, and then just go over our thinking a little bit, and it'll be time for your independent page. So let's jump in. So, Josie and Margot are painting a fence green. Josie starts at one end and paints 3/10 of the fence. Margot starts at the other end and paints 4/10 of it. What fraction of the fence do they paint all together? So, we're going to divide our paper into 2 parts. So, A and B. Okay? A, we could easily just add it, right? So we could say Josie is painting 3/10, so 3 out of the 10, plus Margot is painting 4/10, so 3/10 plus 4/10. 4 plus 3 is 7 over 10ths, so 7/10 of the fence is painted. But as always, there's more than one way to solve it. So another way is by drawing a picture. So here's our beautiful fence. Now I know it says they painted it green. We're just not going to paint it green. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not too bad. Okay, so we're going to call Josie pink. So I'm just going to write Josie in pink over here. And then Margot will make orange, okay? So Margot will be the orange marker. And now they start at different ends of the fence, okay? So Josie starts at this end, and she paints 3 out of the 10 pieces. Now Margot starts on the other end and paints 4 out of 10. Now, there's multiple ways you can do this. We can just count up, saying that there's 7/10 again, or you can count the ones that aren't colored in and then subtract that from 10. But nonetheless, this is just another way to say that Josie paints 3 pieces, 3 out of the 10 pieces. Margot paints 4 out of 10. So all together, they paint 7/10 of the fence. Sorry, I almost said shed. So again, just 2 ways to go about solving, and it's always whichever makes the most sense to you, okay? So if you don't have any questions, I'm just going to quickly read over page 418, showing 2 different ways to go about solving this problem, and then you'll be good to start your independent page 420. So picturing it, obviously each part of the fence is 1/10 of the whole. Your picture of this is way better than mine. So think of what the fence might look like if it had 10 equal parts. And then the girls paint 3/10, so this would be Julie. And then this would be Margot, okay? So again, what we did before, but you could also have used a number line. So if we had a number line divided up into 10 equal parts, you could have went and put a dot for Julie. And then starting at 3/10, count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to add the 4/10, and then you would just stop here at the 7/10, okay? So if you don't have any other questions, you're ready to hop in to page 420 on your own. But if you need to clarify anything or go over anything, I'll be happy to do that. And when you're done with page 420, just make sure you show me. And if you finish 420 before the end of math, you can just work on either some past due I ready lessons or just following your path, completing a green lesson, okay? I hope you all are loving fractions. I'm here if you need me. Bye, guys.